story The Princess and the Pea.
Once upon a time, there was a powerful kingdom. The queen of the kingdom always got what she wanted. She was very possessive of the prince, her only child. She raised him with the best things, the best clothes, the most delicious food, the best teacher to educate him, and much more. As the young prince grew up and it was time for him to marry, the queen called him to her room.
A prince must marry a princess, but he must meet her alone. Always remember these things when choosing a partner. Don't just look at her beauty. A princess is not just the daughter of a king and queen. She must be gentle, intelligent, and graceful. She must have good taste in clothes and uphold her dignity. And one more important thing is that the first thing you will notice is that a princess has a beautiful voice.
The prince agreed and the queen allowed the prince to go find his partner. The prince traveled for days to gather nearby kingdoms. He went to the kingdom and introduced himself. The king was very pleased with the prince. He was handsome and polite. The king took him to the daughter he wanted to marry. The prince was pleased with her beauty. The princess was in her room, studying and dressing beautifully.
Hello, princess.
Hello.
The prince was surprised because the princess's voice was so rough.
Are you okay? May I get you some water?
Oh no, I'm not thirsty.
Oh, okay. Please continue with the poem. I have to go because I'm starting to be late. Nice to meet you.
And the prince left the kingdom after traveling for several days and several places. The prince couldn't find a suitable woman to propose to. He felt disappointed and returned to the kingdom. His parents greeted him and he told them about his entire journey.
Oh, it's so sad, but I'm happy because you came home without causing any of those griefs. I am sure your life would be miserable if you're married on often.
The prince agreed with the king and returned to his room. That night, a storm broke out. The prince looked out his window and saw someone walking towards the palace. There was a knock on the door. The servant said, "Just." There was a beautiful woman standing outside. She was wearing a heavy robe and was drenched in rain. The prince walked downstairs because he heard the woman's voice beautiful.
My driver got lost in the foreign line. I followed the light from your valance. Would you be so kind as to give us a place to stay for the night?
Offers, you accept to stay. Allow me to get your coat.
The prince welcomed her to the place. He felt she was the most beautiful woman he had ever seen. He asked her servant to let the queen see the woman, and walked towards the queen. The queen walked towards the woman with the prince. The queen don't like her at first sight. She was a princess.
My child, look, she is covered in mud. Her clothes are dirty. She is not with her customers. Why would a princess walk in the pouring rain on a night like this?
But mom, I never seen such a beautiful woman before. Walking so graceful.
The queen realized that the prince was in love with the woman. The queen devised a plan to banish the woman and prove that she was not the princess.
I will test her tonight. We will offer her the most magnificent bed to sleep in. Under the stack of 10 magnificent beds, I will place a pea. If she is indeed a princess, she will be sensitive enough to feel the pea.
The prince led her to her room. A leather had been prepared for her bed. She could sleep all night. The woman woke up the morning and called the servant.
I feel tried. Please don't tell the friends, but this bed hurts. It's like there's a brick in it. I really could sleep all night.
The prince arrived and hearing the woman complain, approached her.
Aren't you a real princess? Please marry me.
I will marry you as long as I don't have to sleep on his bed anymore.
The prince and the princess were married and lived happily ever after.